Hi guys, Richard at Orange Campers, and you can see the weather is absolutely glorious. I love this weather. It makes everybody feel so much happier, and it makes you feel like you want to go camping. It does me anyway. But behind me, I've got another customer's van for sale. They're upgrading to a medium wheelbase, which is great news because their 5 metre short wheelbase pop top is available for sale. And what better timing? It's literally ready to drive away. It's in the exact same condition as it left the workshop. It's in immaculate condition. And if you have a look round, gorgeous, stunning van. And like I say, we don't get many of these. It's only the fact that they're, like I say, they're upgraded to a medium wheelbase, which is lovely because it shows what trust they have in us as a company, and they love what we do. He loves his van, and he wouldn't, we wouldn't be trading it in if we didn't want just something a little bit different now. So this is in Expedition Grey. It's a beautiful colour, it's quite rare. It's a lovely flat grey colour, very pretty colour. Alloy wheels. Now this van has got over £6,000 worth of extras on. And as you can see from, if we walk around the van, you'll notice it's on a Series 8, which is on the new quieter engine. So it's a spotless thing. It's got the new Fiat badge showing its age. It's on a 23 reg. And like I say, that means it's got the quieter engine, the nice steering, so full electric steering. Beautiful van, very modern feel to this van. It drives immaculate. It really does drive spotless. Got the big water taps down there. And like I say, I can't emphasize enough, this is a 5 metre one. So it's a short wheelbase, fit in any car park and one parking space. You can literally use this as a daily drive. But wait till you see inside. If you've not seen this model before, it's comparable to the VW short wheelbase transporter. This is under 5 metres and the VW is just a tad under. This is probably 40-50 mil longer, which is that much than the VW. It's a little bit wider. As you can see from the back, it's got a bike rack on, 2 bike Fiamma bike rack on the back there. That'll carry up to 34 kilos, I believe. And very nice unit. And then inside, on the outside, we've got the Fiamma wind out awning. And because these vans are a little bit taller, the awning's great because it's really high and it comes out. It'll come right out to about here. Beautiful sunshade, it really is. They've got the weather strip behind it so you don't get drips coming in and things like that. What else have we got on there as an upgrade? Have we got an upgraded solar panel? Yep, so we've got an upgraded solar panel, 180 watt solar panel, Jess says. It's a super flush one, so it really is, you can barely tell it's up there. So if we have a look inside, like I say, it's in showroom condition. We don't not forgetting the electric step as well. So we've got a nice electric step there, and that does auto retract when you start the engine. So if you've not seen the pop top version before, it's very similar to the VW. It's got a rock and roll bed type, but it's a rib bed. I'll show you how that works, and a side kitchen layout. As well as the extras on the outside, this is a lovely extra, the fly screen. I mean, what better? You can sit here in the evening, you can even put your bed out, lay in bed, have the fly screen open. We've done that ourselves in the camper when it's been so hot you can't sleep on a campsite. We leave the door open, fly net across, and you go to sleep that way. So that's really nice. Let me pop the roof. Now these roofs, effortless, you just give them a little push, up it goes. It's all gas ram assisted. Same with a roof bed as well. Little push and it pulls, it lifts it up on its own. Now this customer, I remember we fitted a couple of customers have had their ladders fitted here, which is great because it keeps it out of the way. It's a one-piece ladder and it fits up here and it lets you get into the roof really easily. So there's no scrambling up off the furniture or the worktop. Literally, you've got a nice big ladder. It's tucked up there out of the way. And up there, that'll carry 2 adults, and it's a lovely big space. Really is a big space. You've got 2 mesh windows and 1 big plastic window at the front. Lets lots of ventilation in, lots of lighting as well. This bed as well is a 130 centimetre on the 5 metre short wheelbase version, what we build. Like I say, it's very similar to the VW ones, but theirs are 112 centimetres. This is literally a full-size double bed, and it drops down so easy. You pull that, drop that down, you put the back to wherever you want it, and hey presto, you've got an enormous bed and absolutely lots of elbow room. So it's a great bed, that is. We have a standard double topper, mattress topper, and that fits perfectly, fitted sheet. It's absolutely amazing. You don't it's hard to explain how big this bed is. And if you think, oh, I can't make it, you can just pull that lever and it's age proof. Even when you get it a bit frail, you can still get yourself in and out of bed. And then to lift it back up as well, simply lift that up there. You've got lots of storage under there as well, and that's where the these guys have got all their bits and bobs in at the minute. But then, if you notice, when the bed was down, it only came to here, so we put the loo just in the doorway in front there, and you can have a bed fully made. You can get to your big 90-litre fridge. So we've got a massive 90-litre fridge in these vans, good freezer compartment. And Jess is also pointing out we got a little table as well. So we got 2 tables on this one. This is an optional extra. You can have a little driveway table, which is great. Look at that. And the beauty of that is you can still get any knife and forks and bits and bobs. But if you just stop for a cup of tea, you can literally sit at the front, put your tea on there. And another clever thing is, if you put the first bit of this bed down, you can literally sit on that as a bench. So you've got your little table here, you've got a bench seat here, you can sit in the front seats as well. Or if you put the big table here, so let's say we put the big table here, you can sit either side of the table when you're having a meal, which is very nice. So it's a really, really useful van, this size. We used to build a lot of them, but as you know, you can't get the 5 metre anymore, which makes this even rarer because you just can't get it. Let me put this bed back and I'll show you some more extras. Like I say, there are lots of extras on this. One of the really nice extras, especially in summer, is the Remis cab blinds. So what you've got is, you've no messing about getting ready for night time. You literally pull these cab blinds across, and that's it. Hey presto, all ready for bed. So that's a really nice feature. Or if you just want a bit of privacy in the daytime, you want to use a loo, it's so quick. All the blinds on the window, or should I say all the windows, I've got blinds on, really pretty blinds, and they've all got fly nets as well. And every window in this van opens, letting lots of fresh air in, lots of ventilation. So you've got a 2-ring hob and a sink there. Above it, you've got, like I say, this customer screw all their bits in, and you notice out in there, look at all that storage. It's incredible, this van. I love when we used to build this van. We still build it now and again though, so look out for our vans we do have for sale. We've got a high top version of this currently waiting to build. So if you're looking for a high top model of this, you can imagine it's a fixed high roof, and it has extra cupboards all the way around the top. So if you're looking for a high top fixed one and a pop top's not for you, then don't forget we've got that option in stock waiting to go. And like I say, that takes a full-size dinner plate. It's such a useful cupboard, and they're so strong as well. You've got gas blow air heating, so you can go camping all year round, and as soon as you've eaten, if you're worried about if there's nobody in the roof above, drop that, it's much warmer. Or if you are letting somebody sleep up there, even over winter, we used to use ours, and we still do with the other pop top now, we just have a thermal wrap for the outside of it. So you can use these fans all year round. Like I say, you've got gas blow air heating, you've got lots and lots of cupboard space, big deep pan drawers, cupboards everywhere, really is. And then you've got nice big wardrobe space. You've got a full wardrobe there, and you've got a wardrobe at the back as well, which you can access from either here or at the back. Another drop-in cupboard underneath there. Lots of lighting as well, so you can read in bed, things like that. Lots of storage at the back. So which, just check out our other videos. There is an MMM magazine review on this van. I watched it again the other day myself. So if you search MMM magazine and SWB campervan, this exact model has been taken out. I think Geneve took it out and did a full review, and that's a great video to watch because it's the exact model this is. There's your big table, for when you want your family table up as well. So price wise, this one's on the market for $64,999, and you've still got manufacturer's warranty and some remaining warranty from ourselves as well. And we're always there. You get to join our owners club, and there's always us to support you, as we are supporting this customer even more. Is coming to resell now, so we're always there for you, as you well know. So if you need to, if you want to come and see it, just get in touch. You can drop us an email. You can come and see us at the workshop. The customer only lives nearby, so he can bring it down and arrange for you to view it there. Oh, mileage, I nearly forgot the mileage. 5,000 miles this van has done. It's incredible. It's barely even run in. So if you want to get a great bargain, ready to go for the summer, then drop us a line, give us a call, and come and see us at our workshop in Rotherham.